We'll show you how to find your YouTube channel URL link. If you find this helpful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's really useful to have your YouTube channel URL because you can put it in different places, send it to other people, and use it wherever you want. And other people can simply click on it and go directly to your channel. Come to YouTube and then go to the top right. Click on your profile picture, and you can go and switch accounts if needed. But if you've already selected the correct account here, then you can go ahead and click on YouTube Studio. This will bring you to YouTube Studio, and this is where you can manage your channel and its different settings. Come over to the left side, and you need to find Customization. Then you want to scroll down, and you're going to find your channel URL. Come over to the right side, and go ahead and click the Copy button. And that's it. Your YouTube channel URL has now been copied, and you can paste it wherever you want.